If you've ever felt a little lost trying to organize or filter your tasks in Asana, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to see a list of tags in Asana and how to use them to easily group your tasks, so you can find what you need and stay on top of your workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to quickly spot and manage your tags, making your projects much more organized and easy to navigate. So let's jump straight in. To start, you'll want to open up the Asana project you're working with. At first glance, you might see tasks, subtasks, maybe some custom fields, but we're looking for something a bit more powerful: tags. These are like little virtual sticky notes you can attach to your tasks to help you categorize them in any way that makes sense for you. For example, think about tagging tasks based on priority, team member, or even the type of work required. Tags make it easy to slice and dice your task list in creative ways. So to set up tags in Asana, the first thing you need to do is add a tags field to your project. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. It might just be hidden in your project's customization options. Look for the Customize button, often in the top right of your project window, and click it. A menu will appear, letting you choose which fields are visible for your tasks. Find Tags and simply add it as a field. Now, whenever you're creating or editing a task, you'll see the option to add a tag. You can name your tag anything you want, maybe urgent, design, or even a client's name. This flexibility is super handy, whether you're managing a huge marketing campaign or just organizing your daily tasks at work or home. Don't be afraid to get creative here. Tags aren't set in stone, and you can always edit or remove them later if your needs change. Once you've tagged a few tasks, here's where the magic happens. If you click directly on any tag, say urgent, Asana will instantly show you a list of all the tasks in that project that have that same tag. It's a super quick way to filter your view and focus only on the items that matter most at the moment. For instance, if you're in a meeting and need to see just the high priority tasks, a single tag click pulls up everything you need, ready for action. This approach works really well for team projects too. Imagine everyone on your team tagging their tasks by department or progress. When you need to check in on, let's say, marketing tasks, just click the tag and boom, you have a curated list. No digging or searching necessary. It saves you time, helps you work more efficiently, and gives you a clearer picture of what's happening in your project. Don't worry if you don't fill out tags for every task right away. Sometimes you discover the right categories as you go, and it's perfectly normal to adjust your tags over time. Asana is built for flexibility, so your process can evolve as your projects do. And that's really all there is to it. Adding a tags field, tagging your tasks, and clicking on those tags to see the list. It couldn't be simpler, but it makes a huge difference in staying organized and getting things done. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps out. Feel free to drop any questions or tips in the comments if you're stuck or have something to share. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Asana tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.